Next, we're going to make legs for the turtle. You'll need 4 of these, and they work up really quickly. To start, chain 6. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet in the next 4 stitches across. Once you've reached the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Once you've finished the second row, make a slip stitch, then fasten off. Repeat these steps to make a total of 4 legs. In the next video, we'll move on to the next piece of our turtle. Thanks for crocheting along with me, and I'll see you there.